everyone! Welcome to another episode of our educational video series. In today's fun science experiment, we are going to turn a bottle into a fountain. Wow, that sounds interesting, doesn't it? But before that, I want to do an important thing. Please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. First, you need to make some holes in the bottle. I've already made 4 holes. So now let's insert these straws in the holes. To use the hot glue gun to seal off these holes. Put some more water in the bottle. I have a funnel here to ease my work, but feel free to use your hands. Color for better visibility. And now let's give it a shake and add some more water. Here, place the glasses below each straw. Blow up the balloon and place it on top of here. I have already blown up the balloon. Now let's place it on top of the bottle and see the magic. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you are enjoying our educational video series. Give this experiment a try at home and let me know